ये सच है, इरादे हमारे विध्वंसक नहीं और अकारण युद्ध के हम प्रशंसक नहीं। अहिंसा के पुजारी हैं और ये कह दो दुनिया से अहिंसक हैं, कायर नहीं। Greetings to the member of the house. Today I am Amrita, student of Dear Memorial School. I find it quite unfortunate to stand in a country where after of decades of independence, there is still a section of people that wake up unsure if they live to see another day, where mothers are scared to send their kids to school, where young children open their eyes to see blood-soaked sea instead of playground. I want each and one present here to reflect the suffering of Kashmir, that Kashmir has endured our nation from Baramulla in 1947 and Kargil in 1999 after 3 blood-soaked terrorism of पुलवामा, उरी एंड नाउ पहलगाम। आज 140 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों की तरफ से मैं सरकार से सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ कि 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में एक भी सिक्योरिटी पर्सोनल तैनात क्यों नहीं था? अगर होते तो 26 परिवार अपने बेटे, अपने भाई, अपने पतियों को नहीं खोते। Who is accountable for such a massive security lapse in the one of the most sensitive region of the earth? How many more Pahalgams have to happen? Our government to realize that the Kashmir warmth of the Kashmir to ensure that such instances do not have to happen. Today I stand in full support of 1994 resolution. It has to be re-implemented. It has to be revisited. Yes, but trust me, doing that alone is not enough. पाकिस्तान की सरहदों पर कुछ पटाखे फोड़ने से ना तो वे देश कभी सुधरा है और ना ही कभी सुधरेगा। If India want action, have to must be aggressive diplomacy. That the storm the UN demand that the country had chance to be transferred the FTF grey list, put sanctions on it and ensure that no one globally trades with it. Now I want to draw your attention to one another very deeply concerning situation in the valley. According to a labor survey report in 2024, it is found out that Jammu and Kashmir has the highest unemployment rate in the whole country. Isn't it marked of ashamed? We can't even give jobs to Kashmiris. So I want to urge government to restore political stability in the Kashmiris. We have to restore the trust of Kashmiris, because trust me, if you do that, you cut the roots of terrorism in Kashmir. Now I take my leave by voting Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He once said, Swaraj is my birthright, so I shall have to it. So who are we stopping Kashmiris to have their Swaraj, to have their birthrights? Please make attention on this, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.